I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pancakes using a pancake mix. To make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: your favorite pancake batter, a half a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. To make these pumpkin pancakes, we're going to combine all the ingredients into our pancake batter. Now you're going to mix the batter thoroughly until all the ingredients are dissolved. We added the extra spices to give the pancakes a more pumpkin flavor. You want to continue stirring until the batter is really smooth and all the ingredients are dissolved. Now that your batter's ready, prepare them just like your pancake mix told you to, and you will now have delicious pumpkin pancakes. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how you make pumpkin pancakes using a pancake mix.